Today we're going to Nevada City, California to host a women's somatic workshop. So let's hop in the car and go for a ride. This journey begins amidst bushy pines where we enter into a collective energy field. In this place, women, somatics, and embodiment become the road to self-discovery. Gathering from all walks of life, an in-body weaving begins to thread ancestral trauma and evolutionary's potentials. So before I share the workshop venue with you, let's go ahead and explore this quaint gypsy shop that I came across. I want you to observe the jewels and garments, the handbags, just acknowledge the different energies that are here. When I spoke with the store owner, she said it was built off a collection of items that she gathered from her travels around the world. Each piece gracefully reflected a version of her, and this is so much alike our process of pulling and gathering the many things that make us up. So I want you to look at all of the things that were here and see as well the different items that you carry within your heart, within your personality, within your physical character structure, and just notice how they feel, and if there's still things that you want to hold on to, or maybe it's time to release them and let them go. A big part of the female psychological process development for us is that we have to be able to get to a point where our ego says, I can be me without these things. So I ask you the question, like, can you experience you at your true core without having to be the mother, the wife, the sister, the job title? Take all that away, and who are you at your core? It's really wholesome to come back to that place. And through somatic work, it's something that you inevitably experience, because it's like that intense numinous feeling of you as you incarnated here. It's really, really special. So that's a lot of what I share with the women that I work with. Now let's go ahead and get into the event center. I'm really excited to share this place with you. I spontaneously found it, and it couldn't have been more perfect to host the workshop at. This venue is called Inner Path. When I interviewed the location, I was drawn to its softness. This plays a really big role as students navigate trauma. The body must feel welcomed, supported, and nourished. The infrastructure of this location acts as a magnet, centering the collected energetic field, and it reflects a safe space where transcendence and trauma can be held without fear. So as I prepare for the workshop, I align myself to a centered place, circulating to get grounding and bringing awareness to the energies that are here. I really enjoy that this is a Krishnamurti and Christ devote location, because it reminds us of service, and unconditional love, and compassion within community. Continuing my practice, I pray for the women coming in and the spirits to be kind, for there to be a softening and an opening that feels authentic and genuine. And also, I pray for women to have a lot of courage to do this work and to learn to speak their voice when they probably don't want to. But that's why I hold these workshops. And this one specifically, we're addressing developmental trauma and attachment patterns. So if this was a video that you were expecting to see a huge, cathartic release with women gathering and having this experience together, I don't know if you will ever see it, because I want to honor the space and the bodies that are here. But if this did encourage you to go to a somatic workshop or to join one of mine if you're in the local California area, which, by the way, if you are, then go ahead and go to my website and sign up for my newsletter, because I will be sharing the different locations that I'm hosting at throughout the state. But yeah, if you were now interested in this work, then I'm excited for you. I'm very excited for you. And I want to take you with me to the many different venues that I host at. So if you enjoyed this journey, if you enjoyed the drive and the location and the whole experience, then like, subscribe, leave in the comments below, connect with me. I'm excited to build this relationship further. With that, I'll see you in the next video.